This is my video. I'm checking the IF config. Yes, it is there. Now I'm installing the packages one by one. I'll install the server first, then followed by OpenSSH server, PHP peer, and then I'll install Snort. I'm fast forwarding this part of the video. So this is the PHP peer part of it, and then I'll install Snort. I'll change this. Once done, I'll reconfigure Snort and I'll add ETH0 in it. So ETH0 is added. Yep, selecting it. Once done, I'll start Snort. Yes, that's working fine. So now we'll move to task 2 where I'll detect nmap scans. In this, I'll start the IF config and I'll start Snort first. Snort is working. So now I'll move to the attacker and I'll do the nmap over here. So nmap scan and I enter the IP address and I'm stopping it. So here you can see there are various nmap attacks. Basically going through it, I can see the IP address from where the attack is and to what the attack is occurring. So this basically gives an idea of how the things are working around here and how Snort is detecting it. So once done, we move on to task 3 where we do the sync flood. I'm creating the log over here. Once I created the log folder, I'll write the snort dos attack, the logging command. So that's snort del log. Yep, snort is enabled. Now I move to the attacker and then open an MSF console to start the sync flood, which is basically a denial of service attack. So I start the console. I'm using auxiliary DOS sync flood and then showing some additional options. I set rhost to the IP address of the victim, which in my case is 192.168.1.5, and then I exploit it for some seconds. So stopping it now. I move to the victim and I'll stop snort over here so the log file will be created. Once that's done, so this is the log file that is generated. Now I'll open the log file and these are the log entries that has been coming in. So scrolling through these entries, we can see that there were lot many commands, like there were lot many messages that were sent from the victim to another IP or within the IP. So this causes the denial of service attack. Now moving to task 4, I've set the rules in the rules folder. These are the 3 rules. One is alert TCP when any content of Facebook is opened, and it will show a message of someone opened Facebook on your PC. For the second attack, it's like someone is pinging me if any IMCP request, and for the third, we'll do if any TCP request comes from the attacker. So now I'll just run snort and I'll open Facebook and see if it's open. It didn't log. Okay, I'll close this first and I'll open Facebook, and here it comes someone opened Facebook on your PC. So first one is working. Now for the second one, I go to the Kali machine, I'll enable the keyboard and then I'll ping. So I'm sending particular ping request. Now I'll move back to my victim, and here you can see someone is pinging me, so second one is working fine. Now for the third task, I'll enable the keyboard first. I'll do the nmap scan. So basically it will create lots of requests. Now going back to my victim, I can see the DOS from another PC. So this basically sums up all the 4 tasks for this required project. I'll just close this, clear it. So this was Sridatta Asgaonkar, and thank you so much for watching.